So, first, microscope ha, you need to determine the focal length of these two lenses. Okay? Nganong kailangan mo determine ang focal length? Para ma-compare nimo kinsay short, kinsay moderate nga focal length. Kinsay gamiton nga eyepiece, kinsay gamiton nga objective. So, kung saan ninyo pag-determine sa focal length of these two lenses? Of course, parallel ray method, since they are all convex. Okay? So here, kung inyong tanaw, this will be our object. Kung tanaw niyo, inverted na daan ng object, right? Film here. So, i-on ako. So, let us say, pag parallel ray ninyo, pag parallel ray, nakita ninyo, for example, this is your short focal length. Short na focal length, kani, long na focal length. So, short man yung focal length, ani, we will use this one as microscope ni, kaya daw man atong object. Objective. So, siya dool sa object. Okay? Then, kani siya. Here. Tanaw ni mo, image ma-form would be magnified and inverted. But since our image here is already inverted, atong gi-expect nga ma-form ng image would be correct na. Okay? So, here. So, first, para madali mo, maglain-lain man ni kada teacher, kaning ato shortcut ni siya para pang practical exam ni. So, instead, ang uban, hilang ana man na, mag-ana man na sila diri, ana, nyay ana-ana nila tanatanaw sa pinaka-magnified. Ato para madali mo will be here. So, ganun. Tanawa, unsay nakita nimo, inverted ang kani, inverted pa po, di ba? So, i-move ang kaning duha until such time ma-erect na.
Wow!
Na-erect?
Again, sir.
Wala pa.
Again. It is. It is
Okay,
one good.
na-erect na. Let us say, from here, okay? Erect, inverted. So, gusto nato mo erect, okay? I-move ang duha. Ang duha, yun ang i-move. Until such time ma-erect siya. Na?
You pass it there. It is more.
Na. Of course, kaya magnify man. Gamay raman natong lens. Kung dakuon ni ako akong lens, makita, tanan. Okay? Now, if inverted na siya, or in this case is correct na, that's the time usa na lang ka lens atong i-move to magnify. Until such time, pinakaklaro. Then, if ma-blurry na pag-start, stop, balik, gamay. That's it.
Ulo ra ko
Ipas-pasan man ako.
I can see the head.
Head oh, ulo.
O ha? Wala. Sige lang, matistingan na ng Friday. So again, atas na ng tanawa da ng image inverted, so expect kag correct. Move ang